Hello class 10th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter number 4, absorption by roots. And now today's topic is forces contributing to ascent of sap, means upward conduction of water, that is ascent of sap. Forces contributing to ascent of sap. There are 4 main forces which contribute to the upward movement of sap or upward movement of ascent of sap. Okay, and there are 4 forces. First one, that is root pressure. Root pressure. Second one, capillarity. Capillarity. And third one, that is transpirational pull. Transpirational pull. And fourth one, last one, that is adhesion. Adhesion. Okay, 4 forces applied on the or ascent of sap. First one, that is root pressure. Root pressure builds up sufficient force to push the sap. Okay, to push the sap. Okay, in the xylem. To push the sap where? In the xylem. Okay, and up to the certain height and maybe enough for the herbaceous plant. Understand it? Root pressure build up sufficient force to push the sap into the xylem vessel up to the certain height and maybe enough for herbaceous plant. Now second one is capillarity. Capillarity is narrowing diameter, यानी कि जितना पतला कैपिलरी होगा उतना दूर तक वाटर उतनी हाइट तक ऊपर जाएगा. दैट इज कैपिलरिटी ऑफ xylem vessels cause the water from a lower level to rise to fill up the vacuum created by the loss of water due to the transpiration from the leaves. Narrower the diameter of the tube, greater will be the height. Okay, जितना पतला ट्यूब होगा उतनी हाइट क्या होगी, ज्यादा होगी. डायमीटर ज्यादा होगा, हाइट क्या होगी, कम होगी. सपोज आप कंपेयर करो, जो वाटर पाइप होता है, वाटर पाइप जितना पतला होता है उतने ही फोर्स से वाटर क्या होता है, ऊपर की तरफ आता है. लेकिन अगर उसका डायमीटर ज्यादा होता है तो फोर्स क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है, तो हाइट क्या करता है, कम अटेन करता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज ट्रांसपिरेशनल pull. As the water is lost from the leaf surface by transpiration, more water molecules are pulled up due to the tendency of water molecule to remain joined. Okay, tendency of water to remain joined, this is called cohesion. This is called cohesion, and thus to produce the continuous column of water through the stem. Suppose कोई column है, इसमें water molecule है, water molecule upward कैसे जा रहे हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ के ऊपर की तरफ पुल हो रहे हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द ट्रांसपिरेशनल पुल ड्यू टू दिस कोहेजन. कोहेजन मीन्स वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स रिमेन जॉइंट, टेंडेंसी ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल टू रिमेन जॉइंट. दिस इज H2O, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, टेंडेंसी ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल टू रिमेन जॉइंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड कोहेजन. Okay, now next one, that is adhesion. It causes the water to stick to the surface of cells, thus drawing more water molecule from below when the leaves cell lost water during transpiration. This pulling force or suction force provided by the leaves is especially important in tall trees such as pines which do not have enough root pressure. Now downward movement of sap is relatively simple. ठीक है, आप अपवर्ड जा रहा है तो ज्यादा फोर्स लग रहा है क्योंकि हाइट अटेन करनी है, तो उसमें 4 टाइप्स के फोर्स लगते हैं. दैट इज रूट प्रेशर, कैपिलरिटी, ट्रांसपिरेशन पुल एंड एडहेशन. एंड नाउ डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट इज सिंपल है. द फूड मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन द लीफ इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन वाटर एंड इट फ्लोज डाउन मेनली ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी. ग्रेविटी के फोर्स से वो नीचे आ जाता है. डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट में देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट a problem is there in the ascent of sap, upward conduction. Okay, now next, molecule by molecule, water up and up. All the water inside the coconuts come from ground, as one molecule of water evaporates from the leaves during transpiration, another molecule rise up its place, and this goes on the succession throughout the tall stem right from the root. The secret lies in the force of cohesion. What is cohesion? Tendency of water molecule to remain joined, to remain adhered. Okay, cohesion is the molecular attraction. Molecular attraction by which the particles of the body are united through the mass. What is cohesion? Cohesion is the molecular attraction by which particles of the body are united throughout the mass. Okay, can you guess from where the sweet taste of coconut milk comes? From this water molecules only. Okay, by water up and molecule by molecule. Understand it now. This chapter completed, and do question answer related to this chapter in your notebook. Okay.